Yo, what's up YouTube? John here again with another video, guys. I know I'm wearing a Samsung shirt, but look, I do have iOS 13 right here. As you guys can see, I got access to it early. This is the beta. This website's letting you download the beta and installing on your phone without developer's mode or any of that. Super easy, took me about 5 minutes to do. I'm about to teach you guys the same thing. But before we go into the video, I'm gonna be doing an iPhone 11 giveaway here in like 4 or 5 months. If you guys wanna enter, all you have to do is comment below and tell me why you want this iPhone 11. And I'm gonna ship it to you if you win. I'm gonna pick 3 lucky winners. If I can't ship it to you, I'll give you an Amazon gift card, whatever the retail price is. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go into the video. All right, guys, all you wanna do is grab your phone, go to gsagen.com/iOS13. gsagen.com/iOS13. I'm gonna drop the link right below in the text right down there somewhere. But I'm gonna go through this tutorial really fast because I already have it. I don't really need to install it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You type in your Apple ID email. Very important you type in the right one, because if not, it won't connect to your actual phone. Make sure you're obviously using the phone that you want to jailbreak. I mean, not jailbreak. You want to install iOS 13 on. Click install iOS 13. It's gonna connect to the GSAGEN servers. That way it can actually update your iOS 13, guys. Make sure you follow this tutorial fully, that way you guys don't mess up. And bear in mind, I am doing that the iPhone 11 giveaway, so make sure you guys are commenting below, telling me why you want it. That way, if you get picked, you know, get the iPhone. You know what I'm saying? Finish saving. Just let us do its thing. It's just doing all the background stuff, so it's compressing the files. All right, cool. So once you're on this page, it's gonna say your iOS 13 installation is ready. We just need to verify you're a human, not a robot. Basically, this is because the servers get so congested. Whenever a new iOS, especially a beta, comes out, everyone wants to download, and it really congests the server, so they want to split it apart by verifying if you're a human or a bot or not. So just click verify now, just to verify that you're human. Super easy, guys. All you want to do is click one of these applications. You got to do 2 of them though. You want to click on one, tap to install, and it's like a CAPTCHA. It's the same thing. You see, I already did it a second ago. So you're just going to download one app. You're gonna open it, run it for 30 seconds, and then you're verified for 1 out of 2. Then you gotta go back. See, it says interact with 2 apps below and interact with them for 30 seconds each to verify your session. So then you come back to this page, you wanna click free again. You're gonna click tap to install. You're gonna click download. Guys, like I said, I already did this. You're gonna open it up and do this for 30 seconds. You're gonna tap around for 30 seconds, essentially play the game for 30 seconds on each app. I'm just gonna show you guys an example. Like I said, guys, you guys did see my iOS 13 version, and obviously I have the apps downloaded, so they're not like viruses or anything. This is just to verify if you're human or not. I don't know how to play solitaire, so yeah, GG, but you can just kind of like tap around. This is what you want to do. Just tap around, and then do that for 30 seconds, and you come back here. After you're done, after you download and open 2 apps to verify that you're human, this page will refresh, and it'll just say start installing iOS 13, guys. Super easy. It's gonna restart your phone, and you're gonna have iOS 13 within like 3 to 5 minutes, guys. I don't know how I can make this tutorial simpler. All you gotta do is go to the website, you simply type in your Apple ID, you wait for the process so that way it can generate the files for you to download. You verify that you're human. Why am I orange? But you verify that you're human, and boom, you can just click start installing. Super easy, guys. I am gonna be doing that iPhone 11 giveaway. Make sure you guys enter. I don't know how much more simpler I can make this guide. 100% works. As you guys seen, I had the iOS 13 version. Show you guys it again, that way you guys don't think I'm lying. Here it is. There you go. Like I said, guys, this tutorial is really short. It's only gonna be like 4 minutes long or whatever the case is, but you know, make sure you guys enter that iPhone 11 giveaway. The website is gsagen.com/iOS13 if you wanna go ahead and do this. See you guys later.